Today I'm going to be showing you this toy train set, and I'm going to be showing you how to actually set this thing up. And we have our water. This actually blows smoke, and we have a battery in here. So I'm just going to show you how to take this apart. There's just a little screw on the top. You're just going to undo. It's going to pop this part off. Just going to set that to the side, and then there's going to be a little connector in here. Now all you have to do is just separate these. This is going to be the rechargeable system. So the first thing you want to do is hook that up to the USB system to rechargeable battery. You want to charge this up. Once that does charge up completely, you're just going to disconnect that, and we're going to plug it into this train set. After that, we're just going to push that in here nice and snug. Just gonna sit right inside. And now from this point, before we close this, we're gonna lift this tab off. It's just a little sealer right here. And we're actually gonna add a little bit of water to this black section here. You don't wanna add more than 10 milliliters, and it's gonna show you right here on the kit. After that's added in, we're just going to seal that off, and then we're going to put this right back on and just screw it on. And this screwdriver is going to be provided in the kit. Okay, so from here we are going to have AA batteries in the remote. I've already actually put these in, but 2 AA batteries go right inside, and then you're gonna push this down right back in place and then screw this and lock it into place. Now we have a couple different settings on this remote, and this is gonna be the power on, and then we're gonna turn the smoke on and off. We got the noises, and we can actually control this forwards and back, which is really cool. So first thing, we're just gonna turn it on, press our button, and then if you want to adjust the speed, all you have to do is move the dial and it will move. So you spin that to the right and it'll move. We can actually go in reverse.